Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin by gathering and measuring everything so cooking flows smoothly. This saves time and prevents overcooking. Use 3 eggs, 2 tablespoon milk, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, and 1/2 cup total fillings like diced ham and vegetables. Season the beaten eggs with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp black pepper for balanced flavor. Chop fillings to roughly 1/4 inch pieces and grate the cheese for even melting. Have 1 tablespoon butter. Heat an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon butter until it foams but does not brown. Swirl the butter to coat the surface, then pour in the beaten eggs mixed with milk and a pinch of salt. As the edges set, use a spatula to lift them and tilt the pan so uncooked egg runs underneath. This creates a tender texture. Once mostly set in 2 to 3 minutes, add fillings on 1/2, fold the omelette, and cook 30 to 60 seconds to finish melting cheese. Once cooked, slide the omelette gently onto a plate and garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped parsley or scallions to add freshness. Serve with 2 slices of toasted bread or a small salad for a balanced meal portion and approximately 1 serving size. For variations, swap fillings. Use 3 Oz smoked salmon and dill, or 1/4 cup sautéed mushrooms with thyme, or 2 tablespoons salsa and avocado for a southwestern twist. Store leftovers, refrigerated in an airtight container up to 2 days, and reheat gently to avoid a rubbery texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.